Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on database management system. So in this video we are going to see an example on equivalence of FD sets. Okay, so we are going to take two sets and we are to find whether they are equal or not. So this is essential for finding whether a decomposition is dependency preserving or not. So in the previous video, we already have seen an example. So you can watch the previous video. You can go to the playlist. The link is given in the description. So this is another example. So the first set X is like this. There are 3 FDs. And the second set Y is like this, which is also having 3 FDs. Now we have to find whether these two are equivalent or not. Okay. So how to find whether they are equivalent or not? We should find whether X covers Y, and we should also find whether Y covers X. So let's see how to do that. So first we are finding whether X covers Y or not. So how to do this? We should take each FD from the right hand side, which is here. So I am taking this FD AB to C. Okay. And I am calculating the closure of LHS AB plus by using the FDs in the set X. So from AB, what do we get? First of all, we will write AB here, and from AB we can get CD, right? So RHS is present here in the closure, so we can say that this FD is covered. Okay. Similarly, take the second FD AB to D and do the same process. Calculate the closure of LHS AB plus. Okay, you have calculated in the previous step itself, so it is ABCD, and the RHS D is available in the closure, so we can say that this is also covered. Okay, now let's take the third FD from Y, which is C to D. Now calculate the closure of the left hand side C plus. So from C you get D. So since RHS is available here, you can say that this is also covered. Since all the 3 FDs are covered, we can say that X covers Y. Okay. So let's see the second thing. Y covers X. Now you take each FD from this set. So I am taking this FD. Okay. Calculate the closure of left hand side AB plus. Okay. So from AB you get C, and from C you get D. So we got all the 3. Now both the CD is RHS is present in this closure. So we can say that this FD is covered. Okay. Now take the second one, B to C. Now calculate closure of LHS B plus. Now from B, we are not able to get anything. Only B is there. So this RHS is not there in the closure. So we can't say that this FD is covered. Okay. And you already know, you take C to D. This is already present directly here, so no need to do this process also. This is covered. Okay. So in Y covers X, we have seen that this FD is not covered, right? So we can say that Y does not cover X. Okay. So only X covers Y, but Y does not cover X. So from this we can say that X and Y are not equivalent. Okay, both are not equal because this is not covered by these FDs, right? So that's it for this example. So please like the video and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for latest notifications on videos. And if you have any doubt, you comment below the video. I will respond. Thank you.